こんにちは。Welcome to FURI FURI Kitchen. Today, Mumu is going to make fresh spring rolls with miso peanut sauce. This is my favorite quick and healthy dish. I make them very often at home. They are fresh and can be eaten with one hand, a perfect snack for busy days. The rich, sweet and savoury miso peanut sauce is absolutely delightful. You can eat a lot of vegetables without getting tired of them with this sauce. Okay, let's get started. Mumu is making 8 spring rolls. First, prepare the filling. The filling ingredients are flexible. You can get creative with the fillings and adjust the ingredients to your liking. Here is my favorite filling combination. Shred a quarter of an iceberg lettuce and 60 grams of red cabbage. Julienne 1/3 of a carrot and a quarter of a cucumber into thin strips. Peel and slice 1 avocado. Roughly chop a handful of fresh coriander and mint leaves. Prepare some crispy onions, about 30 grams, for adding a crunchy texture. Next, assemble the spring rolls. We use 9 inches or 22 centimeters of rice paper. Prepare warm water in a shallow dish or tray. Dip and wet the rice paper for about 5 seconds. Don't let it sit in warm water too long, as it gets too soft and sticky for handling. Then lay the rice paper on the clean work surface. The rice paper has a smooth side and a rough side. Put the smooth side down. Place the prepared vegetables on the lower half of the rice paper, leaving about 2 inches or 5 centimeters on both sides. Gently pull the bottom of the rice paper up and over the lower portion of the filling. Roll it up halfway, fold the side of the rice paper, and then roll it tightly to form a spring roll. Repeat this process and make 8 spring rolls. I recommend serving them immediately, but if you don't eat them right away, cover them with wet kitchen paper and cling film to keep them fresh and prevent them from sticking and drying out. To make the miso peanut sauce, in a bowl, place 2 tablespoons of red miso paste, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I prefer to use crunchy peanut butter, but crunchy or smooth, whichever you prefer. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 3 tablespoons of hot water, and mix to combine. If you like a little bit of spicy kick, add a pinch of chilli flakes and mix. The sauce is done. Transfer the spring rolls to a serving plate and serve with the miso peanut sauce. できた! Mumu, how does it taste? Okay, Mumu said, this is a wonderful way to eat a lot of fresh vegetables. The combination of the fresh spring rolls and the flavorful, rich and nutty miso peanut sauce makes for a satisfying and wholesome side dish or snack. The vibrant color, texture and taste makes her happy and smile. Thank you for watching FURI FURI Kitchen. ありがとう。 If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね